In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link cells in Google Sheets by creating a hyperlink to another cell or even a range, and how to effectively jump to a specific cell or range within your spreadsheet. This is a simple yet powerful technique to keep your data organized and accessible. Let's begin by opening the Google Sheet you want to work on. Once you have it open, the first step is to choose a particular row that you want to link. You can do this easily by clicking on the row number on the left-hand side of your screen. This highlights the entire row and indicates that it's selected for further actions. With your chosen row highlighted, the next thing you'll need to do is right-click anywhere on the selected row. This action will open a context menu with various options. Among these options, look for View More Cell Actions and select it to reveal additional functionalities that Google Sheets offers. Once you've accessed the extra options, find Get Link to this range and click on it. This will generate a unique link for the row or range you've highlighted. This link is crucial because it serves as the reference you'll use to create a hyperlink. Now that you have your link, you'll need to decide where you want to insert it. Select the cell where you wish to place the hyperlink by clicking on it. After selecting the target cell, right-click again to pull up the context menu. This time, choose Paste to insert the link you copied earlier. This pasting action transforms your selected cell into a hyperlink. When you click on this linked cell, you'll be redirected to the original row or range you selected before. To test out the linking you just set up, simply click the cell with the hyperlink. This action should guide you instantly to the range you linked, confirming that the process was successful. Now, if you ever need to navigate to a specific cell or range, this tip will help streamline the process. First, click on a cell within your spreadsheet to activate it. Then, navigate to the menu at the top of your Google Sheet and click on Help. From the drop-down menu, choose Search the Menus. In the search box, type in Go to Range and select the option when it appears. A prompt will pop up, allowing you to type in the exact cell or range you want to go to. Enter the cell reference and press Enter. This quick action takes you straight to the desired cell or range, saving you the hassle of scrolling through large spreadsheets. And there you have it. You now know how to link cells in Google Sheets, create cell hyperlinks, and efficiently jump to specific cells or ranges. These skills will not only improve your workflow, but also make your data management much easier and more effective. Keep practicing, and soon it'll become second nature.